Meet the ICECO APL55 Dual Zone 12-volt refrigerator, your portable solution for keeping food and drinks fresh wherever life takes you. With dual zone functionality, you can use one side as a refrigerator and the other side as a freezer, or customize both to your needs. Control your fridge with ease using the ICECO mobile app. Adjust temperatures, switch modes, and monitor performance, all from your phone. So when unboxing the ICECO APL55, it obviously came with the cooler itself. I got the AC plug, got a little bit of length on it, looks like maybe 5 feet, maybe 6 feet long. It also came with the plug for your car, so you could plug it into the power point in your car, the proverbial cigarette lighter, right? And that's right here, guys. That's right here. You can plug this into your car or into your generator, right? Your portable battery power. ICECO has a portable battery accessory for this that this would plug into. You plug this into your cooler and bam-a-lammy, you juiced up. Upgrade your travel game with the ICECO APL55 Dual Zone Refrigerator. Effortless cooling anywhere you go.